Are you looking for spring replacement parts? If so, you're in the right place. In just 4 easy steps, get replacement springs shipped to your door. Easy to follow instructions, do it yourself, and save hundreds of dollars. What are you waiting for?
Hi, I'm Victor with ExpressGarageDoors.com. One of the first things you're going to want to determine is what size spring you have on your door. Many garage door springs have it painted on the spring. This spring is a 225 by 2 by 28 right-hand wind spring. 225 is the wire diameter, how big that piece of wire is. 2 inches is the internal diameter of the spring, internal measurement. And 28 is the inches of how long the actual spring is. And then the RH or R is a right-hand wound spring. If there are no markings on the springs, then you're going to have to measure the spring and its wire size yourself, but it's very simple to do. To determine the inner diameter of the spring, you need to measure the top to the inside bottom, and that will give you on this particular spring 2 inches. They can be 1 3/4, they can be 2 1/2. Most residential garage doors, though, have a 2-inch spring, but you want to measure that. To determine the wind direction of the spring, you want to look at the spring cone and see how the spring is wound onto it. Right-hand wound springs coil clockwise from the winding cone. Left-hand wound springs coil counterclockwise on the cone. If the spring is left wound, it should be located on the right side of the anchor bracket. If the spring is right wound, it should be located on the left side of the anchor bracket. To determine the wire size, you want to measure 20 coils over, count over 20 coils, and measure that length. Write that down. Then go to our website, ExpressGarageDoors.com. We have a chart there that will decipher that for you and help you determine what wire size you actually need for your spring. You want to know the actual length of the spring. So you want to measure this and add them together, and that will give you the length, or this is the length.